How to turn on call recording on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and also make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option you see there, and then scroll down again and tap on the phone option you see there. Here, scroll down again and you will see the option for call recording. Tap on that and make sure the toggle button for call recording is toggled on. This will allow you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call, and it will further be saved to the Notes app. So here, as you can see, I am on a call right now. So if you want to start the call recording, simply press the call recording icon on the top left of your screen, and with this, the call recording will begin. So wait for the call recording and then tap on the pause button you see there in order to stop call recording once you're done. And you can then go ahead and open the Notes application and the call recording will be saved there. So this is how you can enable call recording on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.